So I went and got the lab kit. It looks like there's blood at the bottom. Y'all, I can't look at it. Oh my god, I look horrible. What's up, y'all? It's your least favorite vlogger because I don't know how to vlog, and I just remember out of nowhere that I need to be vlogging. I'm in this boring ass class right now. My face is crusty, and I'm about to just make a thumbnail while I'm in class because these people talk about getting the textbook from Amazon. Like, I'm so torn in being like a kind person and like doing what like my gut wants to tell me to do and like go out my way to help these people, but I know once I do it one time they're gonna keep asking me over and over and over and over again, and I'm not her. I gotta pick up a book later, but yeah, that's all that's going on right now.
2 hours later.
I believe Daniel will get on video with me.
I'm back, y'all. Hey.
He just went in with me to pick up my books because I just started a new semester, as y'all know, and I'm already getting put straight to work. My birthday is like in 2 days.
Happy birthday, fully.
And we're about to get to work. Crazy.
Pick up some packages, send some packages.
Oh, we got some orders. I forgot to tell you.
Yeah, I know.
I'm having a good day. We woke up, we did our thing.
Did our thing. Never fails.
Never fails. Oh, I guess we're about to get some snacks or something.
What you got a taste for?
I look crazy as so I'm in class right now and I have to do this lab, and I don't know if you got like if I showed the footage or not, but I'm gonna show the footage. I had last week in school, I had to go to my campus and I had to go and get this lab kit, right? So I went and got the lab kit because my teacher told us literally like 20 minutes before it was time to not get it anymore. So I went and I got the lab kit, and honestly, this shit looks disgusting. I don't know what, don't put it by my head. Like, I don't know what the it looks like there's blood at the bottom. Look at the bottom. What the is that? Are those clams?
Nigga, it's a bug in here.
It looks like clams.
There's a grasshopper in this bitch and all.
He said don't put it in the fridge and don't leave it out in the heat. So where the do you put it? Do y'all not see? Dude is like, yeah, make sure you don't leave it in the heat because it'll stink, and make sure you don't leave it too much in the cold because it'll start to stink. And then he also said don't bring the stuff back, the bio waste back. And I'm like, what? So then we start looking, and I'm like, Daniel, there looks like there is crickets, bugs, all types of nasty witch pot crap. So today was class, and I confronted my professor, and I was just like, Miss Mama's like, there's fish in here. Like, why is there fish in here? Like, this makes no freaking sense. And then there's this one guy in my class who I guess is trying to also be a professor, and he was just like, oh yeah, no, like the lab kit, you really shouldn't need it. That's like for another professor, they use the fish. So I'm like, okay, well, for one, I don't eat fish. I'm vegetarian. Like, I don't even like handling fish that have tails and heads on them. So right now we're about to go and dispose of these crustaceans and these fish. I don't want them in my house. And then y'all look at this. I put it in this thing and it broke my little part right here. Just my luck, right? So here's the bag. Disposing is like super concerned. You need to back up. This is gonna make me sick. I already know this is gonna make me want to gag. I hate this so much. Back up, Spo. This is disgusting. Brody, back up. Back up. Back up. You don't want these problems. This is gonna stink. I could just feel it. I'm about to put on a mask. I just don't see the point in, they did give me gloves. Look, that's a fish's tail. Like, okay, here we go. Stink bomb.
It doesn't stink. It's been in the fridge. Now, if it hadn't been in the fridge, yes. What are you looking out or are you staying in? I don't have time for this.
Keep her out there.
Get out of here.
Keep her out. I know you lying. They put a whole crab broil in this.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
I know you lying. Look at this. This a whole broil and it looks disgusting. Holy sh! Oh my god. Oh, holy sh! Oh, y'all, I can't look at it, but you could look. Oh my god. No, 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 ma'am. Oh no. No, 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 no. I'm going to vomit. That was in my fridge. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. Like, what the f? Oh my god, babe. There is a 12-inch frog in this bag. Yeah, bro, I'm okay. I'm just mad. Like, what the f? I have never seen a frog that big in my life.
Put it in the bag and put it out front. And I'll get rid of it. You'll never have to see it again. Could have been gone already.
I'm about to drop out.
Oh my god, it's blank.